Guys, here is latest update on Tesla Radio. Tesla replaces Slacker radio streaming app with Live One Radio. Live One Radio is free to use and default music service in vehicles in North America. Tesla includes a more basic version of the streaming service. You can log in with your paid Live One account to gain access to additional features. Live One offers a premium subscription for $3.33 per month and $39.99 per year. By this subscription, you can get unlimited song skipping and improved audio quality, which can make it more similar to other music services.